Hi there, do you remember a time when music was good? When we had decent music, instead of all this stuff you listen to nowadays, all this hip-hop and rap and stuff. What about the Beatles and the Who and Manfred Mann and Aerosmith, the Rolling Stones, Black Sabbath, the Led Zeppelin, Cream, Pretenders, Pink Floyd, Procol Harum? What did they all have in common? They all had a harmonica player. Now, would you like to learn this super cool instrument? Would you like to learn one of these? I can show you how to do it. All you need is this. 10-hole diatonic harmonica. Nice and easy to buy, very cheap to buy of course. Very easy to learn. So would you like to come and learn? I'll show you how to do it and we'll turn you into one of the famous people who played the harmonica. Would it be Mick Jagger or Chris Jagger, his brother? Johnny Cash, John Lennon, Sugar Blue, Bob Dylan, Stevie Wonder, Paul Jones, Larry Adler, remember him? Or Max Geldray from the Goon Show. Here's some people who played harmonica. Billy Joel, Neil Young, Toots Thielemans, Captain Beefheart, Brian Jones, Dan Aykroyd from the Blues Brothers, Steven Tyler, Lots of fun playing the harmonica. Great deal of fun, and you get to meet lots of interesting people as well. So why don't you give it a go? Come on board. Have a look at it. See if you'd like to do it. Haven't you always wanted to play the harmonica? Lots of fun. I think you're going to enjoy it. It's going to give you something to crow about. And you're going to be very proud of yourself when you strut up on that stage with your harmonica. You grab your harmonica out and you knock them dead. So anybody can do it. Even someone in your condition. Anybody can do it. Anybody can learn. If you can breathe, you can play the harmonica. So talked enough, haven't I? Now's the time for you to crack on and master this crazy instrument. So that's enough for me. I will see you inside. Okay, have a great day.